Scientists include utilized a unit how fits in the hand of the brush to succession the Humane Genome. It is a far cry of the force to succession the at first Humane Genome that begun in 1990. The Humane Genome draft took 13 years, laboratories about the planet and hundreds of millions of dollars. With later down there has been a coup in crack the coding of lifetime. How gives us a very breathtaking prospect to begin possessing genome sequence as a usual instrument, maybe thing human beings can do in their own household. Sequence technique has the capacity to changing the way we do medical analysis. The mutant DNA of type of cancer could be utilized to choose the top treat. Or checking the gene coding of bacteria could place antibiotic drug impedance previous. Lot companies are race to succession DNA more rapid and more profitable. The portable unit utilized in the research was advanced by the business Oxford Nanopore. The technique plant by fleeting length shavings of DNA via a diminutive opening, same similar nanopore. The house blocks of DNA are 4 persons basis named by their letters A, C, G and T. As every passes via the time it creates a distinctive electric alarm how allows researchers to define the DNA succession. The study team say the attitude was about 99.5% exact, but as well permitted them to see at components of humane DNA how had been hardly investigated. The usually utilized brief recite technique of sequence DNA implicated break it up in brief patchy sequence such and piecing it all behind a long love a puzzle. But the problem is how several patchy of the gene coding see extremely such, so it becomes a close unfeasible surprise done of identic trimming. Professor Matthew Friable, of the College of Nottingham, UK, told the nanopore technology analyzed much longer shavings of DNA so we can recite components of the genome not seen up. The includes the tips of chromosomes, named telomeres. But time the price of the sequence is acrobatics, down there remnant a big obstacle, creature capable to quickly recite the gene coding is not the identical as insight which it says. Yet brief term patient benefits as well rely on how so and how quick we can analyze and do feeling of the genome information, and how is yet rather a problem.